Today we're going to be installing some Nerf bars on both the Suzuki 250s. Ordered these from XFR. I had ordered some from Alba, but they were on back order for like a month and then 2 months, and then they finally just contacted me and said that I found some other ones for you online. They're a little bit more. I think the Alba ones were going for 90. These are going for 100. So we're gonna mount these up to both the quads today and see how it goes. All right, so we got them unboxed. Packaging was definitely superior. Had a lot of cutting to get these out of there, but they don't look too bad. You can see kind of how they're kind of got this speckled look to them, but some parts are shiny. I guess it's just from bending it, I'm presuming. But put these on there. All right, so we got these Nerf bars on, made by XFR. You know, they're pretty stout bars, pretty strong. It was a little time consuming getting these nets on, but they're on there, it's good. So that just mounts just like that. 2 tabs, 2 U-bolts. Looks like it just makes it here. Might be rubbing a little down there, but otherwise just bolted right in. I did have to take the spacers out. You know, they kind of stick out a little bit. Just fine. But got them both on there. Got both bikes done. I still got to adjust those nets on this one. I made the mistake of putting the nets on after I put the Nerf bar on. I would definitely maybe recommend doing it first. I did those ones first and it seemed to work better, but I'll look for some maybe 1-inch wheel spacers and get these bikes widened back up in the front. The other wheel spacers were 2.5 inches on each side, and they were rubbing, so yeah, I didn't have any clearance back here. As soon as I was right about there, they would rub.